Hello, in today's lesson we will learn about HTML links. A link or an HTML link or hyperlink is a connection from one web resource to another. Links allow users to move seamlessly from one page to another on any server, anywhere in the world. A link starts at the source anchor and points to the destination anchor, which may be a web resource, for example, an image, an audio, a video clip, a PDF file, a zip file, an HTML document, or an element within the document itself, and so on. By default, links will appear as follow in most of the browsers. Unvisited link, it appears as underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple, and active link is underlined and red. Currently I don't have here. However, you can overwrite these links appearance in through your cascading style sheets. So we will practice each and everything in this our example today. We will practice this in our lesson today. So first of all, how we can target the links. The target attribute tells the browser where to open the linked document. There are 4 defined targets, and each target name starts with an underscore character. So you can see self, blank, parent, top. These are targets. Self, when we are putting a self target, it means the link will be opened in the same window or a tab as the source document. This is the default, hence it is not necessary to explicitly specify this value. For example, so this is the output file. So if I click this link, you have seen it opens in the same window. I'll go back. Blank opens the linked document in a new window or a new tab. You've seen this open in a new window or a new tab. Third one, the parent target. So parent target opens the linked document in the parent window, the self window. You can see the parent document disappeared, and in place of parent document, the google.ae destination, it appeared. Next is top. Opens the link document in the full browser window. Okay. So you can link a document with external documents or internal documents. So href attributes specify the target of the link. Its value can be absolute or relative. The absolute URL is the URL that includes every part of the URL format, like https www.google.ae. So this is absolute URL. like this is a protocol HTTPS host name, and if there is a after slash there is a path of document, we can specify also. This is absolute URL, while the relative URLs are page relative paths. For example, lesson13.html. So if I click this one, so this is internal page or relative link. So this is the existing document in the same directory. So this is the code href. So here, instead of specifying HTTPS or HTTP protocol, we will specify the document that is placed in the same directory where lesson 14 is located. You can also specify a link to send emails for email purpose. So in case you would like to specify an email, so you have to write a anchor tag href mail to colon and the email where you want. Use the mail to scheme inside the href attribute to create a link that opens the user's email program. So if I will click this one, you can see this email program has opened, and in the to field it is the same email that is mentioned here in this code. You can also put a link to some GPG file, PNG file, zip file or PDF file. Here I have given a PNG file link. So if I will click link to photo or download a photo, if I click this one, this file will appear. So in today's lesson we have learned about anchor tag element, href attributes, and we have learned targeting techniques in link, that is self blank parent top. We have learned the relative and absolute links. Also we learned how to put a mail to scheme inside the href attribute. Also we learned how to link to a photo, picture, zip file or PDF files.